Okay, so welcome guys, welcome to today's lesson on ETABS. In today's lesson, we shall be placing the slab, and we can see the positions where the slab are. So we can see the slab is mostly everywhere apart from these two panels, which will be the staircase. So what we are going to be doing is, since we've created a slab section, we're going to use one uniform slab section to make everything easier for us. So instead of us using a big panel at this point, we use 200, we use 150, we use 150, then 200, 175. It makes it too cumbersome for us because this is a school and we know there will be vibration. So what we do is we just use the big panel, the big slab section we've created, and we'll place it round. So to place slab, I'm going to be showing us different techniques of placing slab. The first one we have at this point is to draw floor. So once you select it, you choose the slab section you want. So you can see I have slab section 175 and 200. So I'll choose 175. I'm going to try 175 all through, and if it feels deflection or bending or whatever it feels, then we'll change it to 200. So we have this. So I'll select the four corners. Now to make it easy, I'm going to press Ctrl D on my keyboard to turn off my grid lines. So this is the first method of drawing. So I'll select this corner at this point, select it, select the next corner, select this corner, then also select this corner. Make sure you snap very well, you zoom into snap, then also select this corner and select this corner. Okay, so once you are done with that, you can just decide to select here, or you right click and the slab will be drawn. That's the first method of drawing the slab. Now the second method of drawing the slab is you select this, then draw a box, choose the slab thickness you want, then draw a box around where you want. So for example, I want somewhere here, let me pick somewhere simple. Okay, I don't have to scroll in like this. Okay, so I'll just draw my slab, pick the point, hold down your left control, hold down your left key and zoom into the particular point and click OK. So we've drawn the slab. Now the next and the third option, that is this quick draw slab, is like that beam where you just select, but this time you select in between the grids. So go back there and choose Control, so press Ctrl D and it comes back here. So selecting this and selecting your slab, the third option, quick draw, just place it here and place it at this point, so you get your slab. So in the next video, I'm going to be teaching us how to split slab and how to add slabs together.